So we finally finished this room, and just to sort of emphasise some of the problems, as you can see by looking at this, is the room is certainly not square, so I actually had to cut the full length of each plank in order to get it in. So Britt is enjoying the nice warm floor. I have to say it's actually quite warm with us.
Yeah, it's much warmer than the
than it was
tiles.
before. Yeah. So really it's just now a matter of putting the edging strip on to just tidy it up, because we anticipated problems with the shape of the room. So, but yeah, very pleased with that. Still a lot of work to do. I've got to paint the walls next, but anyway, I've got to start the flooring next door, which is even bigger. It's about 3 times the size of this, so I'll have a couple of days breather and then crack on with that. Thanks for joining us. We'll update again soon. Take care. Bye for now.